Now, David Benlulu, you claim that you can cure AIDS.
Actually, I've got a cure. I came up with a cure about 10 years ago. I leave a message to the public like I've got a cure 6 years ago. And I begin to cure people from 1994.
This gentleman, David, is a special person. And he came at the time when we need him most. The time that everybody is dying of HIV/AIDS. And he really came with a cure.
Are there people that you know who are suffering from AIDS whom the gentleman has cured?
Yes, definitely. And I'm not ashamed to name one who is a friend of mine. The name is Theo Gekwane, a young guy who nearly lost his life, a young guy who had his whole life ahead of him. But because of the AIDS problem, we nearly lost him. But today he's back on his feet. Isn't that wonderful?
HIV. Like I should accept that I'm HIV positive and I should learn to live with it. That was it. Then I met David. Then David just gave me 4 bottles. I just drank that milk. Then I made my test again. Then I was negative. And I repeated the test and repeated the test again. That was my third test now. So I'm negative again.